Okay, people, this is Clyde. That is a 5.2 liter 318 Magnum that was given up for dead at one point. Running smooth, looking good. This is an air conditioned pickup. It's a 1993 Dodge D150 two-wheel drive, and I'm fixing it little at a time. I named him Clyde. There's your good side view. I just put new, brand new Monroe gas shocks on it. Fix these off. That's operable. I will be putting a brand new exhaust on it here soon. I put a brand new crankshaft sensor. I have a new camshaft sensor and a new TPS sensor on the way. Listen to her purr. Ain't that sweet? Now this is some body work that somebody did on it out on the farm. Wasn't too good. I'm going to redo all that. But I'm working on the engine, got that going, worked on all the electrical, got all that fixed. And now I'm going to do the interior. As you can see, that seat's pretty much trashed on this side. But it ain't too bad over there. So should I put a panel in this part right here? Or should I just have the whole seat recovered and be done with it? Let you guys do it. This is a 1993 D150 truck, half-ton, two-wheel drive. I don't know if I'll paint it. I might just leave it like this. I do have the part that goes in here. I had to fix these, the windshield wipers. They were all broken and messed up. Got that going. Now I got to get the new wiper blades on. Got it set. There's the hood. There's the left side. I am considering removing those running boards. Tell me in the comments whether I should or not. They're kind of bent up in places, but I can straighten them. I don't know. What do you think? They're mounted real good. Pretty good brand. DZs. It's got mirrors everywhere. There's no broken glass whatsoever in this pickup. And she runs good. I did have a problem with it. It quit running. I had to have the crankshaft sensor replaced. And they worked on the computer. Got that all fixed. Ran good. Then one day it did die on me. I stomped the gas pedal to the floor and she started right up. So that leads me to believe that I have a TPS sensor that's bad and I have a brand new one on the way. So this truck will be in good running condition pretty soon. This is my little shop. Kind of a mess right now. I just moved here back in March of this year from Washington. I now reside in the state of Oklahoma, and I'm putting my shop together, as you can see. Oh, there's my green transportation. It's got 2 garage doors. I'm considering taking them both off and putting one big garage door across the front. I don't know. I have all my gardening implements in here. They will soon be in a little shed of their own. But anyway, back to Clyde. It's a good straight pickup. Don't have a hell of a lot of damage to it. There's no rust. Well, there's surface rust, but other than that, there's no big gaping holes. I don't know what happened here, but there's a little rust right there. I'll get me a whole panel for this. I might just get the whole panel. This needs to be pulled out a little bit right here. You can see the gap. See that gap between the tailgate and the rear quarter? And you come over here, see this gap? A lot of difference. Anyway, I'll be working on that stuff. I'm going to post this on YouTube on my channel. So let me know what you think of Clyde.